It starts with the Bugatti Chiron engine. Although the basic architecture is unchanged, the mighty W16 has been redesigned to reliably produce 8% more power and 9% more torque than in the Veyron Super Sport. The extra grunt comes courtesy of 4 turbochargers that are 69% bigger than those used on the Super Sport engine. But that's not the whole story. At low revs, exhaust gases from each bank of 8 cylinders are fed to just one turbo in either side of the block. Then, at 3,800 revolutions per minute, a flap is opened in each exhaust manifold to feed the second turbocharger. The result is a torque curve that's dead flat from 2,000 revolutions per minute to 6,000 revolutions per minute, and a power curve with the upward trajectory of a ballistic missile. The engine sits in an all-new carbon fiber monocoque with a torsional stiffness of 50,000 Newton-meters, comparable to that of a Mans LMP1 prototype. How strong is that in layman's terms? Bugatti was able to crash test the same car several times to verify the aluminium crush structures at the front and rear of the car. If you've ever witnessed the violence of a crash test, you'll realize how stunning that previous sentence is.